Once upon a time, in a vibrant village nestled on the lush hills of Jamaica in the 1960s, lived a young woman named Beryl. She was a gentle soul, known throughout the community as the kind Sunday school teacher who filled her classes with warmth, hope, and love for the children she cared for. Every Sunday, her voice would rise in songs of faith, her smile lighting up the church like sunshine through stained glass. Across town, there was Vassal, a spirited young man with nimble feet and a heart full of rhythm. He was a tap dancer, known for his lively performances that made the whole village clap and dance along. Vassal's dance was more than just movement. It was his way of expressing love for life and his deep connection to the music of the island. One sunny afternoon, their worlds collided at the village fair. Beryl was there organizing a children's game, her laughter ringing bright as she encouraged the little ones. Vassal was performing on stage, his tap shoes clicking in perfect harmony with the drum beats. As he danced, his eyes caught Beryl's, her gentle spirit and radiant smile capturing his heart instantly. After his performance, Vassal approached her, shy but eager. "Miss Beryl," he said softly, "your kindness lights up this whole place. I've watched you teach those children with so much love. I want to dance with that love, your love." His words melted her heart, and her cheeks flushed like the Caribbean sunset. From that day, their connection grew stronger. Vassal would dance for her under the moonlit sky, each tap echoing his affection, while Beryl's gentle words and warm embrace made him feel like the luckiest man alive. Their love was an intense, warm flame, kindled by faith, joy, and the rhythm of the island that pulsed through their veins. And so, in that small Jamaican village, amidst the music, faith, and dance, Beryl and Vassal's love blossomed, a beautiful testament to the power of warmth, hope, and the magic of a heartfelt connection.